Do you ever find yourself caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life, constantly chasing deadlines and juggling responsibilities, forgetting to take a moment for yourself? Well, today, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing Soulful Sunday, rediscovering joy on a budget. It's time to reclaim your Sundays and find inner peace without breaking the bank. Start your day by embracing nature. Take a leisurely stroll in a nearby park or explore a local hiking trail. Breathe in the fresh air, listen to the birds chirping, and let the beauty of nature rejuvenate your soul. Now, what better way to nourish your body and soul than through food? Skip the expensive brunch spots and create your own culinary masterpiece at home. Dust off those cookbooks, experiment with new recipes, and savor every delicious bite. Cooking can be a form of meditation, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the present moment. Feeling artistic? Tap into your creative side by indulging in some DIY crafts. Gather materials from around your home or visit a thrift store for affordable supplies. Repurpose old items, paint, glue, and let your imagination run wild. Creating something with your own hands brings a sense of accomplishment and joy. Sometimes, all we need is a good book to transport us to another world. Visit your local library or find a cozy spot in your own home. Open the pages of a book and let the words take you on a magical journey. Reading not only relaxes the mind, but also broadens our horizons. And finally, end your soulful Sunday by treating yourself to a well-deserved pampering session. Light some candles, run a bubble bath, and unwind. Indulge in a face mask, give yourself a manicure, or simply enjoy a calming cup of tea. Take this time to nurture yourself and recharge for the week ahead. Remember, enjoying your Sunday doesn't have to drain your wallet. Rediscover joy in the simple pleasures. Embrace nature, get creative, immerse yourself in a good book, and pamper yourself. So, go ahead and make every Sunday a soulful Sunday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to live a fulfilling life on a budget.